How to operate Vulcan TCM series combi ovens. This video covers how to use the TCM 61, TCM 101, and TCM 102 electric or gas combi ovens. In partnership with Hobart Service and authorized warranty service providers, Vulcan offers a new equipment checkout within 90 days of installation free of charge. The new equipment checkout ensures equipment has been properly installed and is operating correctly. To schedule this free service, contact your closest Hobart Service office or your sales representative. All demonstrations in this video have been performed by trained professionals. Controls. All TCM series combi models feature both a touchscreen and rotary knob controls. Warning: use only your fingers to operate the touchscreen. Do not use knives or other kitchen utensils in contact with the screen. To turn on the TCM Combi, press and hold the rotary knob for 1 second. A welcome menu is displayed briefly before the manual menu loads. There are 3 main menus to select from at the top of the screen: Auto, Manual, and Toolbox. Auto and Manual are cooking operation controls. The Toolbox menu includes cleaning and administrative functions. To turn off the TCM Combi, press and hold the rotary knob for 3 seconds. Cooking, Manual menu, ABC and Jet modes. The Manual menu offers the ABC mode that automatically adjusts the humidity as you input the temperature. The other option in the Manual menu is the Jet mode. This mode is much more customizable to select cooking with convection, steam, or combi. Other custom settings in Jet mode are to use the core temperature probe, adjust fan speed, rapid cooling, and adjust humidity. Details for how to cook using the core temperature probe can be viewed in a separate video, Using Temperature Probe, Vulcan TCM Series Combi Ovens. Cooking, Auto menu. The Auto menu provides an organized view of programmed cooking recipes. There are 4 main selections to choose between. The multiple product selection helps optimize operations by scheduling recipes already added to My Favorites. Choosing a recipe initiates the cooking mode and temperature, so only compatible recipes are displayed for creating a sequence. The My Favorites selection allows storage of 12 recipes. To add a recipe, press any free space icon to select from saved recipes. Deleting a My Favorite listing does not delete the saved recipe. The Vulcan logo selection shows pre-programmed recipes provided by the Vulcan culinary team. These are grouped by category tabs. The My Recipes selection displays imported or existing recipes and the controls to copy, create, modify, and delete them. Multi-level cooking option allows up to 10 independent timers that correspond to racks within the oven. Creating a recipe is simple and useful for any products prepared frequently. The TCM Combi can store up to 100 recipes. Select My Recipes. Select New icon. Enter the unique name of the recipe. Validate by pressing the green check mark. Select the tabs for each phase of the recipe to adjust the cooking mode, temperature, time, and ventilation speed. click Save. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan TCM series combi oven. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.